WordPress is a powerful open source content management system with a range of innovative features. In the following course, you will get an introduction to WordPress and learn everything you need to know to get going with your website. So, whether you are a novice or simply want to know how to set up a new website, I have you covered. Are you new to WordPress and you don't know where to begin? Then you are in the right place. As you can see here, meet WordPress. WordPress is an open source software or an open source content management system, because WordPress is a content management system that you can create a beautiful website, a blog, or an application. As you can see here, it has beautiful designs, powerful features, and the freedom to build anything you want. WordPress is both free and priceless at the same time. So it's a free, that's why it's an open source. You can download it at any time as you want. WordPress is trusted by the best. 43% of the web users use WordPress. 43% of the website use WordPress. So it's highly likely that any website you access on the internet, it has been created using WordPress. WordPress has powerful features. As in my introduction, I said it has a range of innovative features, and you can see here some of them: customizable designs, SEO friendly, search engine optimization friendly, responsive design, high performance, manage on the go as you scale, high security, powerful media management, and it is easy and accessible. WordPress also has what we refer to as more than 55,000 plugins that help you your website meet your needs. And there is an online community. If you have questions, you can join to get and to see what people are doing with WordPress. Let's check some of the features or some of the requirements that you need to get started. So to run a WordPress, they recommend the following supports: a PHP version 7.4 or greater, MySQL version 5.7 or greater, and a security support, that is HTTPS support. So, are you new to WordPress and don't know where to begin? Then you are in the right place. I'll show you step by step how to create a WordPress website, and I will take you through step by step all the features, all the items that are included in the WordPress, so that you can be able to create your own WordPress website. The first step is we need to install the WordPress. To do that, first we need to get the WordPress. So go ahead, go to the wordpress.org and download the WordPress. So go to wordpress.org and then click Get WordPress and download the latest version of the WordPress. So there are several ways to get WordPress. The easiest is through hosting provider, but sometimes tech-savvy folks prefer to download and install. So we are going to download and install. And you can see here, the current version is 5.93. So go ahead and download that version. Then the next step is we need to set up a localhost web server for faster web development. So we are going to design our website. We are going to install our WordPress in our local host. So we are going to set up a Windows local environment setup. Earlier on, or there is another video that I have explained how to install or how to create a Windows local environment setup. So please head over to this video and watch how to create or how to set up a local web server, Windows local environment setup. Please watch this video. Once the WordPress has downloaded, you need now to copy it in your local web server. Go to some htdocs, and we have prepared a folder called WordPress, and then you paste your download there. Then you extract, then you can remove this and now copy the content of this to the main page, and remove this just so that in that folder you just have the content of the WordPress. Next, we need to access our database, which is you type localhost php myadmin. And we need to create a new database for our WordPress. So we can name it WordPress DB. WordPress DB. So this is the database we are going to use to create or to install our WordPress. Then we can access our WordPress. Installing WordPress is very easy. Just 1, 2, 3 steps. Very easy to install our WordPress. There you go. It will bring the WordPress setup. You choose your language and then you say continue. So here you are required to enter the database name, username, password, host, and the table prefix. This is if you want to run more than one WordPress in a single database. Let's go to the database. We have called it the WordPress DB. Username, we are going to use the default users in our database, which is root. Although you can actually create other users, so we are going to use root as our default username and password. Although you can add new users, you can add a user and a password and assign privileges to your database. But for now, we are going to use the default one. There's no password for the root password. Database host, we are using localhost. Table prefix, let us remain with WP, although you can write any prefix you want. There you go. The details are okay. We can now run and install our website and our site. Username, let's one at admin. We want to use that It's our username to access the backend of our WordPress, and password. Let's use word. So one admin 2022. Let's save that somewhere so that we don't forget. You can enter any you want. The email, you can enter your own email there, and then you can install the WordPress. So installing WordPress is easy. Steps 1, 2, 3, and you're done. Very easy. There you are. Being successful. We can sign into the backend. Let's sign into the backend and we see, and our password there. Then we sign in. There you go. Welcome to WordPress 5.9. So we have installed WordPress. Now we can start learning how to use WordPress, and you can visit the site. So this is a bucket, the administration area where you add your pages, your posts, your appearance, and this now is the website. That's how it appears. So welcome to WordPress. So I'm going to show you step by step all the features of the WordPress so that you can be able to create your WordPress website on your own, step by step, starting with the post up to the settings, so that you can learn WordPress step by step and how to use WordPress. So thank you and welcome to learning WordPress for beginners.